Welcome to Mrs. J's Book Nook. Today I'm reading Bluey, The Creek. Now don't forget, as I read, really keep your eyes peeled for Long Dog. See where Long Dog pops up. Bluey's bored of the playground. She's played on everything twice. Mackenzie has an idea. What about we go to the creek? Yeah, I'll take you down the creek, says Dad. Cry the kids. Dad scoops up Bingo and races off. Let's bush bash. Bluey holds back. She's not sure what the creek is like. Maybe she might just stay in the playground. But Mackenzie won't let her. Come on, Bluey. The creek is beautiful. Well, the creek is very different to the playground. There are more thorns here. Oh, more spiders. And definitely more leeches. Ugh. Wow. But there's also more of these fellas. The gang heads down a slope. The ground is more uneven here, and there are no steps like at the playground. Ah! Wow, says Bingo when they arrive at the creek. Both Mackenzie and Bingo think, the creek is beautiful. But Bluey still wonders if they're right. Dad and Bingo lead them to a spot where he played as a kid. They rock hop it across the water. Some of the rocks are pointy, others are wobbly. Ooh, and the green ones are slippery. The creek is beautiful, Bluey says to herself. It's so lovely. I'm not scared of it at all. She might be a little. Whew. Bluey is getting the hang of the creek. You made it, Squirt, says Dad. The creek is an adventure. Here we are. I don't think I've been to the creek since I was your age, says Dad. It still looks the same. The creek must be really old then. Bluey's not sure what to play. In the playground it is easy, but the creek's different. Just then, a dragonfly flutters past, and Bluey just starts mucking around, skipping stones and making boats. And building dams. Bluey thinks the creek is fun. At Daddy Day Spa, Dad finally gets his nails done. Bingo slops a mud pack on Dad. This will make you very beautiful. Oh, I'm out of mud. I'll get some more, volunteers Bluey, and heads off. Bluey squelches her paws into the mud. Suddenly there's a rustling noise. Bluey looks up and gasps. A potteroo! They stare at each other, the potteroo's nose twitching before it bounds off. Potteroos are found in Australia, and they're a tiny marsupial, sort of a cross between a little wallaby or a kangaroo, and they're found mainly down in Tasmania, right down in one of our southern states. As the gang heads home, Bluey doesn't have to wonder if Mackenzie and Bingo are right. She knows for sure, deep inside, that the creek is beautiful. Let's go back and have a look through the book just to see if anybody could find Long Dog. Here we go. I don't think I'm going to get much further than these 2 pages because I can see Long Dog straight away. Not on this page, but on the next page, your clue is up high. There you go. Right there at the top of the ladder, ready to go down the slippery dip. So well done to all of you that spotted Long Dog straight up at the beginning of the book.